हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द पॉडकास्ट। आज हमारे साथ पॉडकास्ट में एक स्टूडेंट है हु इज़ अबाउट टू फ्लाई इन 2 to 3 days टू स्टार्ट हर एमबीबीएस जर्नी। मैं आकृति आत्मीय एजुकेशन से। वी विल बी हैविंग द पॉडकास्ट विद गायत्री नायर।
Hello everyone.
सो शी इज़ गोइंग टू कवर ऑल द क्वेश्चंस इनिशियली जो बच्चे लेके आते हैं हमारे पास विद अ लॉट ऑफ कन्फ्यूजन आफ्टर देयर नीट, सो वील अंडरस्टैंड हर जर्नी। सो गायत्री, ओवर टू यू, लाइक हाउ आर यू फीलिंग राइट नाउ?
I'm excited, nervous, lot of an emotions, but yeah, I'm feeling good. अभी so I start मैंने अपना जर्नी आत्मीया से I started in October. उससे पहले 2 महीने पहले I was here for the consistency, and then after a lot of research and a lot of communication, I thought that yes, I'll go with Atmiya for my further education for in abroad.
Okay, great. So as a student, before reaching to the counseling decision that I need a counseling, क्या चल रहा था mind में?
So I am um, sorry, I am मैंने अपना journey start किया था when I was 18. So I gave my NEET the first time, but because 11th and 12th के back to back sessions and CBSE का board exam की वजह से I couldn't crack my NEET the first time. इसीलिए मैंने one more year drop लिया, but unfortunately the this year जो 2025 NEET paper था, that was the most difficult one in the past 17 years.
Right.
So my score was not up to that mark that I could get into a good college in India. तो आफ्टर द स्कोर आई वॉज इन ह्यूज डिलेमा कि मतलब क्या करना है अभी आगे, उसका कोई आइडिया नहीं है. एंड बट फॉर्चुनेटली I got in contact with one of my friend who is now studying in abroad, and she told me कि she did she's now doing MBBS education from Georgia, and it's a very nice university.
Okay.
So when I did my research SU के बारे में वगैरह और भी countries from where I can do my MBBS, because from a very early on in my life I had decided that I wanted to become a doctor.
Right.
So I was not giving up on that dream, so that's why I was like ठीक है, देखते हैं अभी कैसे करना है. तो with the help of my parents and we sat and we did a lot of research regarding what all options are there, which one is the better one, and कैसा सब है. After I got, my friend told me that SU is one of the best one in Georgia. So when I researched about SU, I got to know कि Atma Education does the consistency for the SU college.
Right.
So I was like, that's how I got to know about Atmiya.
Okay.
So when after a month or two, I contacted Atmiya, and they appointed a counselor to me. So when we first stepped into the cabin, Sharda ma'am was there, who took me for a who told me everything regarding the process of the consultation and how's the SEO college, and everything regarding financial हो गया, hostel वहाँ का, and then the travel, the curriculum, how are the studies, and everything regarding SEO. And the way she presented it, I was like, yeah, SEO is the best option that I'm looking for, जो अभी मेरे the in my curriculum hai. Because to achieve something that level, I need to be the best one. I need to have the best one. So Atmiya was that.
Right. So we can say that you stepped into Atmiya a confused mindset के साथ, but I think you got your clarity
Yeah.
with the counselors.
Counselors,
Absolutely,
confidence and
confidence and
everything.
clarity.
Yeah.
Great. So and आपको कुछ myths भी थे before shortlisting that abroad as an option for your MBBS, like any myths were there in your head?
Yeah, the most primary one would be that after education in abroad is not that good, and to if we get the degree from there, इंडिया में आके प्रैक्टिस करना इज़ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट. बट आफ्टर आत्मिया के बाद मुझे वहाँ पे पता चला कि दे आर contributing a lot, so that आपका even after you get your degree, आपके जो next exam हुआ या FMG exam हुआ, you can even clear that and practice in India as a doctor.
Correct.
So that was like a big relief for me, that the education part is to the level कि you can clear the exams.
Absolutely. Yeah, so parents का एक बहुत बड़ा concern रहता है, like finances, future aspect, right, safety. So because girl child के case में parents are mostly so.
Yeah.
Any convincing required initially from your side, or your parent or mother, initially got all the clarity from Atmiya? How was the experience there?
So I had when I contacted Sharda ma'am, so this was a big thing that played role in my mom's decision कि करना है कि नहीं, because safety is like the most primary one, and being a
Absolutely.
girl child,
Yes.
I was not that independent. Like till 12th, I was always manhandled. Like everything I did, मेरे साथ मम्मी हमेशा रहती थी, even if by phone हुआ या फिर any relative was always there with me, or even
Yeah.
if she wasn't there, anybody was always there. So
Correct.
that was kind of a big thing कि कैसे transformation होगा वहाँ पे जाके, because I'll be all alone.
Right.
But Sharda ma'am, the counselor, told us कि there is always a person assigned in the college, university, and in the Atmiya Education Center that they have there in Georgia. So that was a big relief कि ठीक है कोई ना कोई है वहाँ पे which we
Right.
can approach, so
Yeah.
that the security and everything is safe there.
Yes,
So
absolutely.
any problem might occur, it will be handled by them.
Correct. Actually, we have like a big team there in Georgia, like Indians and some Georgian staff as well.
Yeah.
And absolutely, Atmiya has like multiple hostels there. So we are catering, a big segment to make sure that our students are getting all that home-like structure in
Okay.
Georgia.
Yeah.
Great. Glad to know that. So one thing, like, as you're traveling in 2 to 3 days, so what is something which you want to say to the aspiring doctors or someone who is preparing for, MBBS this year, NEET? So, what is
That's a
your
big
advice to them?
question.
Yeah.
So basically, the thing that I experienced was I had a tremendous amount of effort, support from my parents. They were always there. They never pressurized me to do anything. They gave me my space so that I can breathe on my own and be a little bit um I can do stuff and I can handle this kind of thing. They assured me that it's not a big thing. So I feel like parents' ka support is a very big thing. But as myself, I would say having belief in yourself. That is the biggest thing that you can do. It's like
Absolutely.
in belief, you should always have a belief in yourself, because if you can do it, you have to do it. If you like,
Yes.
if you have that kind of mindset that if I can do it, I will do it. That is the most important thing, that even if you
Absolutely.
want to do something, there will be 100 of paths that will be open for you, and you just have to have that kind of mindset, that the rigid mindset that okay, I can have this.
Correct. Absolutely. It always comes from, I think, first the self belief and then
Yes.
into action. So, yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely bang on there, Gayatri.
Okay.
सो आत्मीय एजुकेशन के काउंसलिंग में आपको ऐसा क्या अलग लगा जो आपको डेफिनेटली यू मस्ट बी विजिटिंग 1 or 2 more कंसल्टेंसीज, राइट? सो ऐसा क्या अलग लगा दैट यू फाइंड दैट ट्रस्ट कि आई कैन गो एंड ट्रस्ट देम एंड पुट माई फाइल फॉरवर्ड और एप्लीकेशन विद देम?
Assurance.
Okay.
So the thing is when we started the process, my every documentation, everything was submitted to them, and then after that my visa date came in the month of October 17th, but because of government issues that got delayed.
Right.
The visa that was supposed to come in the month of November didn't come, and
Yeah.
it directly came in the month of Jan,
Right.
which was very difficult, because when it got delayed, we had no idea कि कैसा क्या है, किधर कैसे करना है. We had no, because it was everything in the hands of the government.
Right.
So we had no control over it.
Correct.
And that is something that scares us a lot.
Absolutely.
The things that are not in our control.
So, adding to this thing only, like what type of support specifically you got, during this time from your counselor? I would say, when you are in a stressful environment altogether, that visas are delayed by 2 months.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
So I feel like that the communication was the bang on point, because each and every time I had any query, any doubt, anything that I needed assured for, they were always available for me.
Right.
So that was like the biggest thing that Atmiya gave me. The communication was always there. The effort they put in, anytime any update was there were always a WhatsApp contact or even a phone call, as a matter of fact. But So after that Jan में जब आया, and then उसके बाद सीधा they fast forwarded so well that I'm flying in the Feb second week, which is like a very big thing for me.
Right.
So yeah.
So like, counseling is there, visa is there, documentation process, how aligned it was? Like, you are getting constant updates. How was that? Like, it
Yeah, it
was
was very
good, smooth.
systematically, very
Mm-hmm.
smooth. Each
Right.
and every time they needed something, they asked for it,
Mm-hmm.
and I provided it. And the time duration that they gave,
Right.
they appointed it. So they were like, they fulfilled their whatever thing they said.
Okay, great. So one more thing with respect to NEET, I would like to understand. As you said that, you prepared for NEET last year as well, and
Yeah.
then again, it was a second attempt, and after that,
Hmm.
you score quite good marks, and still in India, it is very difficult.
Hmm.
So what is your, understanding with NEET? Like, where you feel NEET is, putting students of India, because they are putting all their hard work, all blood sweat into this one examination.
Yeah.
So what is the mindset after you are done with your NEET exams, or before, I would say, what type of preparation and drilling you guys go through?
So before, I would say that there was a lot of pressure in like, not from the parents side, but
Mm-hmm.
you put yourself, put a lot of pressure on yourself. So that was like the thing. I need to be the best so that I can get, because the cutoff in of NEET in India is very high, and to get even, and to even higher, to get into a good college, a reputed one, so that your education is not compromised, because there are many colleges there that will not give you the amount of education that you are required, so that you can, like, for the for the exams that you need. So I would say ki the mindset that was before was a lot of pressure. After after the giving also, it was the pressure, because again, you have to go through the consistencies, the
Hmm.
all the you need the how
Focus,
focus and
correct,
everything,
discipline. You have to
discipline.
go with the drill again and again.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
you need all the information regarding colleges that are available. You need a lot of things.
Hmm.
You need to, your documentation should be properly there. Then the cutoff come, it takes a lot of time and efforts, and the pressure still remains. The I guess the only relief that we get is that one day after the exam, that, or
Right,
before the exam, it's like a lot, and then
correct.
after exam, only for one day you get that relief. Okay, this is done.
Right.
But then after that, the process begins again.
Hmm. So, what advice you would like to give, 1 year back, the Gayatri was like, कि गायत्री को अगर मैं 1 साल पहले वाली को देखूं तो what advice, like ये option अगर पहले कोई बच्चा choose करना चाहे, तो how you see that? Is it a good option to, give NEET once, and then if you are there good and abroad is a good option to opt for? What is your take on that?
I would say that I took 1 year so that I could focus on myself.
Mm-hmm.
That, so because 11th and 12th and doing NEET together was difficult for me. I couldn't do it for the first time, but I was like, okay, I'll give it one more try, because I had that belief in myself that I can do it again.
Hmm.
It's just that the NEET exam was so difficult, otherwise
Right.
I would have gotten it, but still. So after that, I guess I would say I think I will still take a year drop, because I had the belief
Mm-hmm.
that I can do it.
Right.
But doing it one more time was also incredibly difficult for
Hmm.
both my parents, and all my other friends and relatives were like, why do you need to take a drop? It's not necessary. You can just opt for something else. But I was
Right.
like, no, I want to do this.
Right.
So I guess I would say that it depends on the person to person.
Mm-hmm.
So if you feel like you can go through that process again,
Mm-hmm.
you should definitely take a drop. If not, then I guess you should look for options abroad, or maybe any other thing that you want to see.
Right. So as you said that right now your understanding about abroad education is much better.
Yeah.
So what do you say, like जो बच्चे फर्स्ट ईयर के बाद एक मिड रेंज मार्क्स में फॉल करते हैं, या फिर उनको पता है इंडिया में सीट्स क्रंच है, राइट? इवन इफ यू आर इन द टॉप कैटेगरी, देर आर हाई चांसेस दैट यू आर नॉट एबल टू मेक इट टू अ गवर्नमेंट सीट, राइट? And semi-government seats are quite expensive
Quite
that
expensive,
way, right?
yeah.
So taking and opting that year instead of repeating and going with the same drill again, how you see now abroad education, because you said that you have done a lot of research and now
Yeah.
you understand.
Yeah.
So,
So if people don't want to go through that again and they want to opt for abroad,
mhm,
I feel like, of course, you should do your own research and homework so that you know what is needed, what is all needed to be done. And I feel like research के बाद, um, I felt ki education abroad might sound a little bit different and less appealing, because they say that Indian
hmm,
universities are the top one.
right.
But even though they are not, there no comparison, but still it's more, uh, how do you say it, it's more approachable to them,
Mm-hmm.
because it appeals us that the pressure that the Indian university puts on us will be
Mm-hmm.
much lesser there.
Hmm.
That's like the main point,
Right.
so
Right.
that university knows.
Hmm.
Indian universities are mostly focused on the theory part. They
Correct.
like the grunt work and the memorization, but I feel like abroad they
Mm-hmm.
open a lot of successful efforts to
Right.
put us out there.
Right. And
The
practical approach
practical
is there.
approach is there,
Absolutely.
and
Yeah.
all that thing is more focused there.
Mm-hmm.
So I
Mm-hmm.
feel like that was the plus point when I when I chose MBBS abroad,
Okay.
because the SCU college has so many AI structures and
Right.
everything,
Right.
and Atmiya is also providing so many AI
Mm-hmm.
facilitated
Mm-hmm.
for future exams and everything.
Right.
So yeah,
Right, right. That's going to add more value
more
to your
value to your
preparation. Absolutely.
preparation.
Yeah, because we are in a transitional era where, we are
You need to be
gradually
more
more
digitalized towards
digitalized. So
it.
even in medicine, there is a lot of work is happening right now. And if
Yeah.
universities are not, providing that chance to learn that at initial stage,
Hmm.
definitely students are going to be on a backseat.
Hmm.
And being SCU, one of the reputed name in Georgia, so why
Yeah.
not? Yeah.
Yeah.
So, Gayatri, my last question is that, if you have to sum it up with Atmiya Education, the journey you have been through so far, and you're about to fly now. So, in one sentence, what you would like to say?
Atmiya education is very dependable. That would be my one sentence, because everything that I went through, it was with them. They were always there, hand in hand, and everything that I put forward, they reassured me ki nothing is gonna go wrong, everything is fine, everything will be taken care of, you will be in the best hands. That was like the most assuring thing
Right.
and dependable thing, because I feel like when someone is going abroad for the first time for education and for so many a span of almost 6 years,
Mm-hmm.
they need that kind of dependence.
Right,
So that's
absolutely.
the thing. The Atmiya was very dependable for me, and the communication and everything was very good. So yeah,
Great, great. Thank you so much, Gayatri.
thank you,
And
ma'am.
we are very much happy to have you today on our podcast. So, I would like to wish Gayatri all the very best for her
Thank you
new
so much.
journey. And I'll close this podcast with a final line. ये एक एडमिशन की कहानी नहीं थी, ये एक स्टूडेंट के MBBS जर्नी की शुरुआत है.